2.5 centuries ago, an idea was set in motion that a nation could be built not from one people, but from many. They came from every horizon, each carrying something of home, a language, a recipe, a prayer. This is the quiet genius of America. The fabric does not fray when a new thread is woven in. It grows stronger. It grows more beautiful. 50 years ago, one such thread arrived. In 1974, in Flushing, New York, a small community opened its first mandir, and with it, an old and rich idea that to serve another is itself a form of worship. For half a century, they have woven themselves into this land. They raised mandirs of beauty. They served the needy and answered the call when disaster struck. They strengthened families and the very fabric of America. They raised their children to carry the culture forward and to give back as citizens. This year, as America turned 250, they celebrated at mandirs across the country, not just raising flags, by giving to food banks, to shelters, to neighbors who they may never meet again. And they sang. This is the genius of America. It does not ask you to stop being who you are, only that you bring it and watch the tapestry grow more beautiful. 250 years and counting. Happy birthday, America. From all of us at BAPS in America.